today, how would you like to greet all these nice people? He's asking how are you? So how are you all doing today? Good? Excellent. Now Amigo here also loves to sing and he can sing the birthday song. Okay, so this song goes out to those of you celebrating your birthdays this month. Ready, Amigo? Let's sing.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
And he wants to relax. Playing Minecraft.